If you feel like you're losing control right now, take a breath. You are safe, and whether you are searching for how to stop a panic attack instantly, or you're in the middle of a wave of thinking, I'm having a panic attack, what do I do? This session is designed to bring you back to the center. We're going to turn off the fight or flight response together right now. Hi. Welcome to Calming Anxiety. I'm Martin. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. My goal is to help you navigate anxiety and panic disorder syndromes. It's simple, it's effective, and it works in the real world. Let's begin your journey towards calm and peace. We'll start right away with the 4-4-4-4 box breathing method, a powerful vagus nerve stimulation technique. So follow me. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Back to normal breathing, and as you continue this with me in a moment, we'll perform a systematic body scan for relaxation. But follow me once more. In 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Again, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. And just let your breathing find its own rhythm again. If you still need, just extend the out-breath by an extra 2 seconds. Now, imagine and start at the crown of your head. Feel the tension ease with every out-breath, as if the exhalation is relaxing every muscle. Feel the tension now melting from your jaw, often the place we hold a lot of stress and overwhelm. Allow that softness to travel down to your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears, and now down to your chest. If you feel a racing heart or chest tightness, just notice it without judgment. It is just your body's alarm system misfiring. You are breathing. You are present. You are learning how to control a panic attack through physical awareness. Once more, we perform the box breathing technique. Imagine the numbers, if you wish, in your mind's eye as I count them. Ready for the in-breath. In 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Take this technique with you, wherever you are, whenever you need it. Your silent superpower. No one else around you need know. Just always count the breathing, relax the mind and body. And within this moment, this reset from a panic attack, imagine these words in your beautiful mind. As you exhale, Visualize them if you wish, repeating them silently or whispering them. So with your body softening on every repetition, these wonderful affirmations for anxiety relief may be your guiding light for the days ahead. This feeling is temporary and it is passing now. I am the mountain, and these feelings are just clouds passing by. I have the power to calm my nervous system. And just know this simple truth. From my career as a paramedic, this single technique helped thousands of my patients. And once more, my friend, with every out-breath, truly allow yourself to relax, to release the unneeded tension and stress, and then once more, imagine and repeat. This feeling is temporary and it is passing now. I am the mountain, and these feelings are just clouds passing by. I have the power to calm my nervous system. This feeling is temporary and it is passing now. I am the mountain, and these feelings are just clouds passing by. I have the power to calm my nervous system. And within this moment, this calm tranquility in the beauty of your thoughts, imagine your mental sanctuary, a place where you feel absolute emotional safety, perhaps a quiet beach or a sunlit forest. Imagine the colours, hear the sounds. By focusing on this guided imagery for panic relief, you are rewiring your brain's response to fear. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. This is mindfulness for panic attacks in action. And before we return to the world outside, before we finish, here are your 3 daily self-care tips for a happier life. 1. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Name 5 things you can see, 4 that you can touch to stay in the now. 2. Hydration and minerals. Sip cold water. The cooling sensation is a natural anxiety hack. And 3. Digital boundaries. Give yourself an hour of no screen time to lower cortisol levels before bed. Now wiggle your fingers and toes and bring your awareness back into the room. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, stretch the arms out overhead and then open your eyes. And thank you for joining me today. If you found this panic attack SOS meditation helpful, please do subscribe or maybe leave me a review, and do share it with others so that we can help more without ever knowing it. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Take care, my friend. Smile often, positive thoughts, and to your beautiful soul, be kind.